Unacademy. Let's crack it.
अरे हेलो 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 एवरीवन. जस्ट गिव एक्सपेक्टो पेट्रोना. ये तो हमारे अभी रेगुलर वाले हैं सब लोग यहाँ पे. बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ पढ़ना है. एक मिनट रुकना. आई एम प्रॉपर्ली ऑडिबल राइट? यस. This lecture is also named as percentages with Avengers. I have a series of lectures with Avengers. So we have percentages with Avengers. We have time and work with Avengers, and so on and so forth. Some very nice questions to do over here. Hello, Indrani. ओके यार, चलो मैं एक बार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कर लेता हूँ. आई थिंक द नोटिफिकेशन स्टार्ट गोइंग आउट ओनली आफ्टर द टाइम इज कंप्लीटेड. जैसे 12:30 का लेक्चर है तो 12:30 को ही एवरीवन विल बी सेंड नोटिफिकेशंस इफ इट ऑल, इवन इफ यू हैव एनरोल्ड. एंड 12:30 को ही वो अपीयर होना शुरू हो जाता है सब जगह पे लाइव करके. सो आई एम गोइंग टू वेट फॉर अबाउट अ मिनट और टू, एंड आफ्टर विच वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द सेशंस. लिंक हो रहा है ना क्लिक, जो मैंने अभी भेजा है? हाँ हाँ, हाउस द जो सुहित, वो तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है. माय क्वेश्चन. डोंट स्टील माय क्वेश्चन. डोंट स्टील माय क्वेश्चंस. बैटमैन कहां से आ गया? क्यों भाई, नहीं आ सकता? पता है मुझे, डीसी इज अलग. वहां जैसे मुझे पता ही नहीं है डीसी और मार्वल. हम भी मार्वल फैन है, बट हमें बैटमैन भी पसंद है. तो हम मार्वल के एवेंजर्स के साथ में बैटमैन को भी रखेंगे. अगर किसी को कोई दिक्कत है तो क्लास के बाहर जा सकते हो. है किसी को कोई दिक्कत? मैं हेल्प करूं निकालने में? नहीं है ना? चलो, वेरी गुड. एक सेकंड रुकना. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड अटेम्प्ट टू गेट बैक टू माय रेगुलर ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन. Am I audible for you guys? Am I audible to you guys? Yes. So mission successful. Getting back to my old broadband connection successful. How many of you Ethan Hunt fans over here? चलो मार्वल और डीसी तो ठीक है. How many of you Ethan Hunt fans over here? Very nice. Why Thor is not here? हाँ यार, थॉर को रखना चाहिए ना. Next time, Naveen. Next time. My apologies. Next time we'll have Thor in. We have Thanos. We have Hulk. वैसे बाकी सब जो विलन, वो सारे विलन से अच्छा विलन मुझे लोकी लगता है. लोकी हैज अ कैरेक्टर फॉर हिमसेल्फ. नो, लोकी इज अ नाइस विलन. थैनोस वगैरह ठीक है, वो he will sound so such a heavy sound they have given, and so much of philosophy plus no seriousness they have added with Thanos. No fun with Thanos. Loki is a nice villain to have. Anyone call for me? I am here. क्या 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 कार्तिक चल क्या रहा है क्लास में? हाँ, लोकी गॉड ऑफ डेथ, एंटी हीरो. एशिया नीड्स थैनोस. No comments on that. अरे हाँ यार, शक्तिमान भूल गए हम. बताओ अपूर्व. शक्तिमान को लेके आएंगे अगली बार. शक्तिमान, शक्तिमान, चाचा चौधरी. या नो, वी शुड थिंक इंडियन. नो, वी शुड. शिट. Next time, Shabu, exactly. Next time you will definitely see tomorrow's lecture. You will see Chacha Chaudhary and Shabu in the class. You will see Superman also in the class. Superman nahi, Shaktiman. Krish will also see in the class. माइटी राजू, ये कौन है? ये मुझे नहीं पता. माइटी राजू कौन है? भीम. हाँ, छोटा भीम देखते थे क्या आप लोग? मैं नहीं देखा हूं ज्यादा छोटा भीम. हमारे वक्त नहीं आता था छोटा भीम. हाँ, सो मेनी छोटा भीम फैंस. पता करना पड़ेगा फिर तो छोटा भीम के सारे कैरेक्टर्स को. सिंचैन अभी भी कार्टून्स ही देखते हैं. चलो अच्छा है. टॉम एंड जेरी तो ठीक है. सिंचैन सिंचैन भी अच्छा है. डोरेमोन अच्छा है. डोरेमोन देखा हूं मैंने. चलो शुरुआत करते हैं फिर. सिंचैन पसंद है लोगों को यहाँ पे. निंजा हथौड़ी. निंजा हथौड़ी भी सही है. बस बस बस, मैं अभी भावुक हो जाऊंगा. मोटू पतलू अभी यही काम कर लेते हैं क्लास के जगह पे ना. एक क्या क्या हमारे बचपन के कार्टून्स रहे उसी की याद करते हैं, है ना. पढ़ना है आज थोड़ा सा. पढ़ना है. पावर रेंजर्स था, फिर पावर पफ गर्ल्स था, डेक्स्टर्स लेबोरेटरी था, स्कूबी डूबी डू था, और अभी अजिंक्य सर का मैथ्स वर्ड्स भी है. तो मैथ्स वर्ड्स में भी पढ़ना है. मैथ्स वर्ड्स में भी ध्यान देना है. इज दैट करेक्ट? चलो, let us get started with the session then. Shakalaka boom boom bita. very quickly, we have done with 1.5 hours of session earlier. How's the Josh? कितना time और बैठ सकते हैं हम लोग जल्दी से? How are we doing on the Josh quotient? Still high? थके तो नहीं थके. 1.5 hours more we can do. Whole day we can do. हाई के साथ में हाथिम को मिक्स कर दिया. ठीक है. 24 hours. Sir, English? Yes, Johnny, English is also there. Mritika, I'll stick to English. I'll stick to English. Chalo. Aparajita is here. Hello, Aparajita. Hello, everyone who has just joined in. I'm not going to spend time in introducing myself. I feel very stupid when I repeat the same thing again and again. So I'll only do it once every day. I feel like that Three Idiots ka virus who gives that speech, no? Remember, life is a race. तेज नहीं भागोगे तो something he says, no? ये कोयल का अंडा या something he says. I feel like that when I start telling out my own introduction. This is new. What is percentages? This is new. What is percentages? Percentages is that thing which we never got a lot in our schools. Is that correct? कभी हमारा जो जिंदगी में ज्यादा आए नहीं वो है percentages. How many of you agree? This is the best definition of percentages. Exactly. So percentages कभी ज्यादा आए नहीं, हमने कभी चेक किया ही नहीं. We used to see कि someone else used to calculate percentage for us. We used to see what it is. 10th के बाद खो गए. 10th के बाद हाँ, जिनके थोड़े से स्कूल में फिर भी अच्छे आते थे. 10th के बाद this species is extinct. This species called as percentages is extinct completely. या फिर एटलीस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में आने के बाद. So अगर ऐसी चीज है तो कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है. We are again going to catch the percentages, bring them back up, and understand it very well. Percentages is something which we will see around us very, very commonly. Like you will see sales which will have things written like up to 50% off. Then you go inside very happily, and then you'll like one shirt. That shirt will have 5% off. This is a new collection, sir. The other shirt you select, this will have 2% off. This is a newest collection, sir. You'll select another shirt which will have 0% off. This is not in the discount, sir. So things like this. Have they happened with you? But you see percentages in sales, and then you see percentages in your how much percentage of your battery is remaining. For example, my phone has 60 odd percentage battery remaining, and so on and so forth. You also see percentages on labels which say protein percentage, which say how much percentage of each of the content exists into the products, and so on and so forth. Is that correct? So percentages is something which is used very, 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 very commonly along with us. And we see percentages as used as something which is used for grading. So if you get from this mark to this mark, you get a grade A, grade O, grade B, C, something of that sort. And that is also something which we have seen percentages being used for. Let us take an example to understand percentages very quickly. This is percentages basics lecture. We are going to build up percentages. But before I get onto the topic of understanding percentages properly, let us understand key what does percentage, why is percentage important. Let us say this is me, Ajinkya, and anyone in the class who's ready to volunteer. Let us say this is Vibhanshi. Okay. Now Vibhanshi went to a very nice school. She went to an ICSE school. I went to a very nice school, but my school was CBSE. Hypothetically, let us say I wrote 100 marks ka 500 papers I wrote, and I ended up scoring 300 out of it. In Vibhanshi's school, there is something which is different. Her total marks are given out of 300 only. So out of 300, Vibhanshi ended up scoring a 285 marks. Extremely smart. Vibhanshi is extremely smart. She scores very, very nice. 285. She lost only 15 marks out of 300. Okay. Once this was done, I went to Vibhanshi. I asked her, Vibhanshi, kitna score aaya? Vibhanshi said 285. And I go, hey, stupid. I scored 300. Hey, what you did in US, you used to study so much, you used to study so hard. My mom always used to tell me study like Vivanshi, and now you scored only 285. I am the smarter one. See, I scored 300. Is that correct? No. What? No. सब लोग विवांशी के साइड से, मेरे साइड से कोई भी नहीं. अरे यार. So Vivanshi, why is that a wrong comparison? Because out of 300 she had scored 285, while out of 500 I've scored 300. The out of is different, right? The basic comparing number is different, and that is where the percentage comes into play. Now that is the reason why your 10th scores, your 12th scores, your university scores are given out to you in percentage format. Total marks out of which the score is, like what total marks out of which the score is scored, is what you should be considering. So if we calculate this, this is 95% score and this is 60% score. So although in terms of the numbers I have a value which is higher, in terms of percentage she has a value which is higher. Now this is the whole reason why we use percentage. Percentage can be applied to any number. So when we say 50% off, it does not have to say 500 off, 200 off, 300 off. If it was a flat 50% off discount, if it was a flat 50% off discount, then it would mean if the price tag of this shirt is 500 rupees, then you would buy it for 250 rupees. If the price tag of this shirt is 2000 rupees, you will buy it for 1000 rupees. So whatever the base amount is, that much percentage out of that base amount is what percentages is. If my battery is 100%, the battery of each of our mobile phones, the phone which you have and the phone which I have, is not going to be same. But if let us say you have 500, let us say you have a 5000 milliampere battery, and let us say I have a 3000 milliampere battery, then my 100% is still less than your 90%. It's still less than your 80%. Is that correct? Because the comparing values are different. And also, what is 100%? It allows us to think of a number on a scale from 0 to 100. So let us say I say that Ayush has a collection of 400 chocolates. So 400 chocolates becomes the 100% of his collection. So I'll say 100% is 400. 0 is 0%. So from 0 to percent to 100%, like from a scale of 0 to 100, if I make 400 small parts out of this, if I make 400 small parts of this, I'll get one part as 4, I'll get 8, 12, 16, and so on and so forth. So I'll say 4 is 1%, 8 is 2%, 12 is 3%, 16 is 4%, and so on and so forth. So comparatively, जिस तरीके से 50% is half of 100, half of 400 will be 50% of 400, which will be 200. If I want to calculate 90% of this, 90% matlab if I had 100 chocolates, let us say Ayush is eating up 90% chocolates. So if he had 100 chocolates, he would eat 90 chocolates. Now he has 400 chocolates. How many chocolates will he eat is what is the question you have been asked. And that way you can calculate this to 360. Did you understand what percentages is, the basic what percentages is and why we use that? Yeah. Very nice. So that is what, this is what percentages is, and this is the reason why we utilize percentages into our day-to-day life. It's easy for us. Instead of writing 480 mg and writing all of the values and trying to decide कि okay इसमें ज़्यादा क्या है कम क्या है, I'm very easily able to compare them on one single scale if I give my values in percentages. That is the reason why we have been using percentages so often and so much into our lives. There are a few percentages which we can calculate pretty easily, and based on those few pretty easily calculable, is that even a word, calculable? I don't know if that's a word. Based on those few very basic calculable percentages, we are going to derive and we are going to find out what are the questions which we can do, what are the more complex percentages which we can calculate. Now, as we already see, as we have already seen, yeah, I know calculative, but ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग मी सोहित. परसेंटेजेस का मतलब परसेंट, एवरी 100. सो फॉर एवरी 100, व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर एवरी 100 and compare the things with every 100, we come into this whole thing for percentages. Now, which are a few of the percentages which we can calculate very easily? We can calculate 1%, 5%, 10%, and 50% quite easily. And we are going to continue on where we left in the last special class. We are going to take it forward and we are going to see how is it that we can calculate all of these percentages in this particular manner. Is it correct that I can calculate 1% of any value very easily? Let us say I give you 480. What is 1% of 480? So if 480 is 100, then I need to calculate 1. How much will that be? Going from over here to here, I need to divide it by 100. So can I say the only thing which I need to do is shift back to decimal places 4.8? Yes. Again, oh sir, so basic. No, you're teaching us what 1% and 2% of what. We came on to Unacademy to teach 1% of what. You will learn why 1% is important. Just hold on for a moment. Don't do that haw. Hold that haw for a bit later on. You know, that haw will be much more useful, because afterwards you will be able to say, oh sir, how did I calculate this? I never thought I could calculate this. So save that haw for later on. Similarly, I can calculate 10% of any number. 10% of 7,200. How much will 10% of 7,200 be? Sir, have you told that trick, Tania? Tania, आप क्लास में लेट आई ना? You came in late into the class, no? Yeah, Tania, तो आप लेट आई, इसी के वजह से you missed it. टाइम पे आती तो you would have learned it, no? अभी क्या करोगे बताओ? 720 is going to be the 10% of this. Don't worry, I am yet to tell the trick. मैं बताऊंगा थोड़े वक्त के बाद. Don't worry. सब लोग सोच रहे कि मैं सच में लेट आया क्या? मैंने भी इसी तरीके से मिस आउट किया क्या? अभी मिस आउट नहीं किया, मैं बताऊंगा थोड़ा सा ट्रिक. रुक जाओ, अभी थोड़ा सा सोचा कि पहले पढ़ाई के साथ शुरू कर ले. पढ़ाई के बाद ट्रिक देखेंगे तो there would be a good feeling into our hearts after studies if we see the trick, right? डरा दिया. Don't worry, Tania. 10% we can calculate. We just need to shift the decimal place behind. Can we calculate 50% of any number? Let us say 50% of 12,300. Can we calculate 50% of 12,300? Half. 6,150. Very nice. If I can get 50%, can I also get 5%? 5% इसका 1/10 ही है ना? This is 1/10 of this. 615. I can also calculate इसका 10% and then divide it by 2. इसका 10% हो जाता 1230 and then divide by 2 will give me 5%. How much will that be? 1230 divided by 2 will be 615 again. So you could have calculated 1%, 5%, 10% on all of these percentages pretty easily. Is that correct? Let us learn to club these things together. Okay, because based out of these 1, 10, 5, 15 percentages, we can actually go ahead and calculate many more percentages. One second. This is what I was missing. These were the slides which I was missing. Out of these 1, 5, 10, 50 percentages, we can calculate almost all of the other percentages. We can almost take a very good quick guess on the numbers. 1% we divided by 100, 10% we divided by 10, 5% we divide 50 we divide by 2, 5 we can do it in two different ways. We can calculate 50% plus and then do 1/10, or we can do 10% and then divide it by 2. But then we can come back to all of these amazing percentage values. Like 11% is what? 11% is 10% plus 1%, and so on and so forth. So let us get to it. Let us become the Johnny English of percentages. You have kept your pen and papers away? अब एकदम उस कोने में. Yes. Very nice. So let us start with a very easy question, mentally, without touching your pen and paper. What is 11% of 4,000 बस। फोर थाउजेंड का 10% प्लस 1%। 4,000 का 10% विल बी 400। 4,000 का 1% will be 40. Will I need to add both of these things up? 440 will give me my 11%. Yes. Okay, I'll do a few more for you, and then after that I'm going to let you off the hook. Good afternoon, Captain. Good afternoon, Rayan. Where were you? Let us say we want to calculate 52% of 850. A bit more complex, but still doable with your brain only, without touching your pen and paper. Split karna hai sir. Ha, split the percentages and then solve. It's much more easier when you split the percentages and solve. Or you can split the number and solve. You can either split the percentages and solve. Splitting the percentages and solving makes the question easier. Try to do this one. I'll explain it in a bit more detail with this example. Different answers: 442, there's 595, there's 434. Can we have a bit more variety? Viraj, hello, how are you doing? 442, 442, 442 as well. Okay. Chalo. Let us learn to split the percentage. This I can think of 50. It's difficult for me to comprehend. It's difficult for my brain to comprehend 52% of 850 in one go. But what is easy for my brain is to do 50% of 850 once, 2% of 850 later on. Is that correct? My brain can think of 50% of 850 and think 425. 425 was the easy part. 425 was not difficult. The challenging part is 2%. 2%, 1% will be 8.5. 8.5 का twice कितना होगा? 8 का twice 16, 0.5 का twice 1, 8.5 का twice 17 होगा? Will I have 17 as the twice of 8.5? So, Mritika, please remind me if I switch on to Hindi, okay? So 50% plus 2% will be half of this 425 plus 17. Again, it's a big challenge, sir, to add 425 and 17. Okay, add 425 and 10, 435. Add 435 and 7, 442. Done, understood. Got it? Riddhi, to calculate 52% of 850, what we did is we calculated 50% of the number first, and then we calculated 2% of the number. So 50% of 850 came out to 425, and 2% will come out to 8.5 into 2, 17, and then we add it up in 442. Is that correct? Everyone with me? How many of you are doing these kind of multiplication calculations? Kind of, you haven't done these kind of calculations earlier and doing it for the first time? Mentally? Oh my God. So all this time you felt that percentages is such a boring topic wherein you need to write the number over here, then you need to write of this thing, and therein you need to write this thing, and then you are doing it, you needed to do it like this. Prem is asking, will it be easier with fractions? A lot of times, because you're used to fractions so much, you feel it's easier to divide and multiply and use fractions. But believe me, in the long term, this method is much more faster because you will just be able to look at a number. Your brain will subconsciously start processing a number. The moment you look at a number like 800, 50% 400 है, 1% 8 है, 75% के आसपास कितना होगा? If I ask you 75% के आसपास कितना होगा of 800, you will be very quickly able to think of it as 600. Now, of course, this number was extremely easy. We'll be doing this with a bit more difficult questions in this class itself, in this today's class itself. So just hold on. We are going to practice probably 15-20 questions of this sort very quickly, 10 odd questions of this sort, and then we are going to move forward. Are you ready? I used to solve this when I solve accounts. Nice. Let us have a quiz. 30 seconds per question wala quiz. Is that okay? Questions like these only. Simple questions. परसेंटेज कैलकुलेशन वाले क्वेश्चंस. Okay, fantastic. We have 66 students in the class. So let us calculate 66% of 4,500. 4,500 difficult है क्या? चलो 40,500 नहीं 45,000 अभी ठीक है. 66% of 45,000. ट्राई करो, ट्राई करो, ट्राई करो. इट्स नॉट 66.66 बेटा, इट्स 66. अपने वाले मेथड से सॉल्व करना है, बिल्कुल चालाकी नहीं करनी है यहां पे. नो चालाकी, नो ट्रिक्स. योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. पूर्व अमीशा एंड मिस्टर एम एस धोनी. मिस्टर एम एस धोनी, आई फॉरगॉट योर नेम यार. Just about finishing 30 odd seconds. And I believe a lot of answers are over here. No, I'm quite sure that, you know, I need a pen and paper to do this. At least you okay, you can use a pen and paper to scribble down a few values. Okay, let me give you that option. You scribble down, let us say you calculate 50%, 10%, or 6%, 60% and 6%, then you can just scribble it down and then you can write it down. Is that okay? But not to divide and multiply. Not to divide and multiply. That's okay to scribble down a few values because it's difficult to keep everything in your mind. 66%. How can I think of this? I can think of 50%, 10%, 5%, 1%. Is that correct? Yeah, I can calculate 60% divided by 10, get 6%. Yes. What will be 50% of this be? 45,000. 40,000 ka half, 20,000. 5,000 ka half, 2,500. So 22,500 will be 50%. How much will be 10% of this? 10% will be 4,500. 4,500 will be 10%. This gives us sorry, this gives us 27,000. Is that correct? 9 into 3 भी कर सकते हैं ना? हाँ कर सकते हो. मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं समझा क्या कह रहे हो. 9 into 3 एक और बार बताओ. 9 into 3 क्यों? 9 क्या हो जाएगा? 9 will be 450 into 2. हाँ, मतलब you can come back to the same answer in a lot of different ways. You can think of 60% as 30 plus 30 or something else which you want to do, 20 plus 20 plus 20, and then things like that. Anything of that works. Okay, so this gives us 27,000. So 27,000 क्या आ गया मेरा? 60% आ गया. 6% कितना हो जाएगा? 2,700 will be my 6%. Can I say this should be my answer? 29700. Yes, no? 29700. This was the answer which I most commonly received. Very nice. Got a bit of knack of it. Yes. I allow you to use your pen and papers to write down numbers like the way I've scribbled it, but not to do anything else apart from this. The next question, Garima, last part. Okay, I'm going to very quickly repeat. 60% I calculated. 60% came out to 27,000. If I've gotten 60%, I need to add 6 more percent. So 60% plus 6% will be 1 0 less. No, this is 60%. So 6% will be 1 0 less. 60% plus 6% will be this thing. Now got it? Sir, 1% का value लेके into 6 करेगा, वो वही आंसर आएगा. कैसे भी करो, कैसे भी करो. What will be the 251% of 48? Quickly, 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, tick, tick, 9, tick, tick, 8, tick, tick, 7, tick, tick, 5, tick, tick, 4, 3, 2.5, 1, पहले 2.5 से पहले 2 आना चाहिए, 2, स्ट्रेस हो गया. Did my calculating or did my counter make you stressful? This is what happens in the exam as well, and you end up making silly mistakes, which is the reason why try to solve questions like this with timers. It was distracting. It is distracting in the exam as well. सर आप काउंट मत करो, स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. नहीं, मैं स्ट्रेस करने के लिए ही काउंट कर रहा हूं प्रेम, है ना. तो आई एम गोइंग टू कीप ऑन काउंटिंग for the reason that you should become a bit more stressed and for the reason that you become a bit better after that. हम ध्यान ही नहीं देंगे. हाँ, तो वही सीखना होता है. दैट्स अ स्किल, नो. When everyone around you is doing, oh shit, मेरा paper रह गया, and all of that, they're giving these reactions, you have to keep your calm because your paper is still having 1 or 2 minutes left. Maybe if you know how the CAT examination works, the moment you start it, from that point the examination is for 3 hours, and you have a 10-minute window in which the students 5 minute of window in which the students can start. So the person sitting next to you can finish his paper 2 minutes earlier than you. So generally, as soon as as you're writing the paper, there's a lot of hush push which starts into the whole of the CAT examination center. My paper is done. For some of the people, it is happy. Some of the people are sad, and anything of that. You need to keep your calm. And also, there's a timer which is running over here in front of your eyes, which says 2 minutes, 1 minute 59 seconds, 1 minute 58 seconds, 1 minute 57 seconds. Just that timer gets you off the hook. That should not happen, which is the reason why we need to learn to do this. What is this 251%? 100% plus 100% plus 50% plus 1%. 200% is twice of this. इसका twice कितना हो जाएगा? 48 का twice 96. Half of this will be 50%. 200% is 96. Half of this will be 50%. 50% will be 24. If I add these up, these are easy numbers to add up. How much will that give me? 120 it will give me. 120 plus I need to add something up. I need still to add 1% because I needed 251%. So 1% of 48 will be 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 1% of 48 will be. What was the most commonly given answer? 124.8 बहुत लोगों ने बताया था. While 1% of 48 will be 0.48. So our answer will be 120.48. आया क्या समझ में? Teaching you, is this everything teaching you a few nice things about maths? You started to learn a bit with maths, started playing with numbers. For everyone who find this topic difficult, please spend a lot of time in doing activities like this, okay? For the next 1 or 2 days, I'm going to be sending you an assignment onto the Telegram group. And why does the Telegram group link keep on vanishing from the chat box? I don't know why, but please get yourself added into the Telegram group. I'll send you some nice questions to this kind only, a worksheet to do. What will that worksheet have? That worksheet will have 21% of some numbers. So just calculate that. Just finish up that worksheet for the doing sake. Once you finish that up, you'll be at a very nice position. Chalo, let us step this up. Let us do 50.5% of 842. You can use your pen and paper to scribble down the values to add the last step of it, but not to divide, and definitely you can't use the calculator. Okay, so the most commonly loved answer seems like this one, 425.21. Let us take a look into this. Is not 505, this is 50.5%, of course. What will be 50% of 842? 421. No issues till this point. What will be 1% of this? 1% will be 8.42. What will be half percent of this? 4.21. Very nice. अरे नाइट किंग कहां थे? ये बाकी सब लोग ऑलरेडी व्हाइट वॉकर्स बन चुके हैं यहां पे। अभी अभी कैसे बनोगे व्हाइट वॉकर इतना लेट आके? चलो, ये आया है सबको समझ में? लेट अस डू सम मोर। What will be 19% of 850? रेयान, मिस्टर बीइंग नहीं निकलने वाला स्लाइड से, जो चाहे कुछ कर लो। %19 of 850. $161.5, 161.5. That seems like the most common answer. Okay. At the start of the class we saw how we can calculate 1%, 10%, 5% and 50% of the values very quickly. There are also some more values which we can do very quickly, which include 20%, 33.33%, 25%, 75 and everything you can derive out of this. I believe these are the important ones. इसके अलावा जो फ्रैक्शन टू कन्वर्जन है वो मैं अभी लेके आता हूँ, which we'll talk about. But 20%, 33.33 and 25 are extreme basic. So 25% is 1/4 of the number, 20% is 1/5 of the number, and this is 1/3 of the number. So you just have to keep these few things in your mind. I'll come to some. There are some more numbers which you can think of. Now this you could have calculated by doing 20% minus 1%. 20% is 1/5 of the number. So if I need to divide this by 5, what do? I multiply it by 2. Remember? So multiply it by 2 and then divide it by 10. So I should have gotten over here 170 is the 20%. If 170 is the 20%, then 1% will be 8.5. I need to subtract this out. What will I get? I'll get 161.5. If getting confused while subtracting this orally, 170 minus 8 gives you a 162. 162 minus 0.5 gives you a 161.5. Is that okay? Everyone has followed this? %520 of 14.21. 520% of 14.21. Orally, without touching your pen and paper, without multiplying, without doing it conventionally. Yashashri, hello. Nishita's answer is here. We'll check that answer, Nishita. Get yourself added in the Telegram group. If you haven't gotten yourself added in the Telegram group already, please get yourself added in the Telegram group. %520 of 14.21. First of all, I'll calculate 500% and then I'll think of 20%. What will 500% be? 500% is 5 times the number. Is that correct? I'll break this down as 14 and 0.21. 14 into 5, 70. 0.21 into 5, 0.20 into 5 is 1. And 0.1 into 5 will be 0.5. So can I say this will be 71.05? Yes. Now I'm writing it down because I'm making you go through the mental process. Okay, I don't need to, like, this is how you should be thinking about it. And 20% के बारे में, what will be 20% of this? 10% of this will be 1.421. 20% will be twice of this, 2.842. So all I need to do is 71.05 plus 2.842. This is what is going to be my answer. 29837, 73.892. 73.892. Did you get it correct? Nice. Did you understand this? So very nice. Very nice. पूर्वा क्लास में बीच में से आओगे तो कैसे चलेगा? एक बार पहले इसका रिकॉर्डिंग देखना एंड देन प्लीज आस्क इफ यू स्टिल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. चलो, let us go ahead. Before we get on to the part, 20% please repeat. रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ मिलेगी? रिकॉर्डिंग ये लेक्चर के बाद यहीं पे मिलेगी, इसी लिंक पे यू विल गेट इट. This is your 100%. I need to calculate 20%. I can do a 10% multiply by 2, no? So I calculate 10% of this. This is the 10%. I multiply it by 2. I get this is my 20%. Got it? Okay. Chalo. Now before I take you on to the sir ko kya? Garima kya? Before I take you to the Avengers वाला part, let us quickly do that. वो ब्रेक कैसे किया? ये वाला 520 किया ना मैंने ब्रेक, 520 को. So always think 14.21 को, 14.21 का 10% करते वक्त तो I didn't need to break. इसका twice करते वक्त भी I didn't need to break. Okay, 500 के लिए I needed to break. So break it in that way in which you can calculate anything. So what do I want to do? I want to do this multiplied by 5. Difficult to calculate 14.21 into 5. Easy to calculate 14 into 5. Let me write that. 14 into 5, 70. Easy to calculate 0.2 into 5. 0.2 into 5, 1. Easy to calculate 0.01 into 5. 0.05. 71.05. आया समझ में गरिमा? Do you understand this now? Yeah, so that's how we should be proceeding with the breaking down of values. Let us go back to that 9999 wala trick ek bar. Give me a 5-digit number quickly, and then we'll do the rest of the class. Priya has given me 85471. Priya was the first to comment in, so I'll use Priya's comment. Okay, very interesting. Let me try. This is a bit difficult one. Okay, this is a bit difficult one. This will be 9. Please check if I'm going to do it correct, because this is a bit difficult one. 2 5 4 1 0 7 4 5 8. Is that correct? Yeah. Now, do you want to learn this? Itna suspense, sir. Ha 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 ha. So one of the things which you need to learn to be able to, do this thing mentally is to learn to act. You need to learn to act very well. That is your lesson number 1. Just the way I was acting right now, this is a bit difficult, guys. Please check this. I think it's going to take, I'm going to make a mistake over here. So something like that. समझ गया था. Oh, I think I need to work on my acting skills then in that case. But but that is something which you're going to need to do very well if you want to do this, by yourself. Let us learn how to do this. First thing, can you subtract 1 from this value? Can you subtract 1 from this value? Mentally, 85,471 minus 1, can you do mentally? बस उसको आगे लिख दो. लिख दिया. उसके बाद में 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. Scam 1992 की तरह Scam 2021. There are so many nice tricks like this in maths. Maths is filled up with some nice maths tricks, some nice maths fun, things like that. Let us do one more so that you understand it a bit well. Let's try with 1 or 2 more. Yeah. Let us give me a 5-digit number. I have 7-3. Naveen gave me the first number 78965. 78965. I need to now if I start writing from this side 78964, it becomes pretty obvious कि मैंने ये का ये number यहाँ पे लिखा है. So I'll not write from this side. I'll write from the left side so that it doesn't become very obvious कि I've started with. So this type with 999. No, ये ऐसे नहीं. मैथमेटिक्स जब आप मैजिक देखने जाते हो तो वो जब उसके टोपी में से वो कबूतर निकालता है, when he takes out a pigeon out of his hat, do you say, okay, take my hat and do the same thing? No. So my rules, my numbers, you just play along. Okay, so you don't have that liberty of changing this number up. I am saying if you are having this as 5 nines, then I'll take a 5-digit number. So that is the first thing you need to realize. The number you are multiplying should have as many number of nines as the number of digits which you are asking from the next person. Okay, so don't give him that liberty. So it is only valid for 9999. Yeah, of course. I mean, if it was valid for everything, then it would have made our life some next level easy, no? So I have to think of a number which is 1 minus this. So this will be 4. Apart from that, the whole number will stay like this. So 9 minus 4. I'll start from this side. 9 minus 4 will be 5. 9 minus 6 will be 3. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 9 minus 8 will be 1. 9 minus 7 will be 2. And then I'll write down this number 4, 6, 9, 8, 7. Do you now understand? So what is requisite for this? The number of digits of 9 we have over here, the same number of digit number we should be having. We cannot have 6 nines multiplied by a 5-digit number. That won't give you this answer. Although there will be different patterns for that. But this will only work when this number of digits and this number of digits is equal. Nice method. Six and 5 से नहीं होता है. We can do -1 only when we are using 9999 or for others for only while using 9999 only. Chalo. Try this trick out at home for 1 or 2 questions. After that, go back and show this trick to a lot of your friends. Make them feel ki, oh my God, my friend is a maths genius. Magic. Yeah, exactly. Magic. अरे I actually had this poll over here. देखो, I had this build-up poll. लोग कह रहे थे, मुझे पूछ रहे थे Marvel DC. $71, 14, 39, 18, 39, 39% with none, 38% with none, 37% with none. The final result 37%, 36%, 20%. Oh my God, guys. Fan of none. You need to have a life, man. We don't have time. Come on. You watch Doctor Strange, you will have all the time in your world, in the world. Yeah, Potterhead, अरे यार Potterhead तो is not comparison only. Potterhead तो is by default. That is different. Potterhead show should be there, है ना? चलो, anyways, a bit later on in the class we are going to have Batman gift some cars to some person. We are going to have them fight in some armies and so on and so forth, which we'll be doing later on. आज के लिए we want to cover up this one last part, which is fraction to percentages. सर मेरा ऊपर कमेंट क्या था? ऊपर कमेंट रेहान मिर्जापुर. अरे पढ़ाई वाला कमेंट हो तो मुझे मैसेज किया करो, ऐसे ये किया करो. अभी क्या पढ़ाई वाले कमेंट नहीं हो तो कुछ नहीं. Awesome, mind-blowing and SpaceX for the person who is watching this trick and his reaction. पढ़ाई वाला डाउट है. My comment. Both the sides have to be same, like 5 and 5 on the other side. Yes, both the sides have to be same, 5 and 5 on the other side. Okay. Hi Siddhi. Hi Shrikar. How are you doing today, Siddhi, Shrikar? Joined a bit late into the class. You're going to need to go back and watch the recording though. But just like we divide a number by 2 to get 50%, 3 to get 33.33%. What is this? This basically 100 divided by 2 is 50, 100 divided by 3 is 33.33, and so on and so forth. We have a few more fraction to percentage conversions which are extremely important for CAT examination. At least all of the percentage to fraction conversions up to 1 by 11. उसके आगे भी उसके 3 ही बचते हैं. 1 by 20 तो आपको पता ही है. 1 by 12 is half of 1 by 6. 1 by 15 is something which you need to know. So ये सारे कुछ एक fraction to percentage conversions है which should be on your tips. I'll give you about a minute and a half to note these down. Please note these down very properly. Please get back the pen and paper which you had thrown away. Please properly write down everything which you are seeing on the screen, and then I'll tell you how to apply everything which you are seeing on the screen. Okay. We have taken screenshot. Write it down. No screenshot. Write it down. I'll wait for 30 more seconds. 20-30 more seconds. फिर बढ़ते हैं आगे. Done. Last 10 seconds. Lisha, hello. For everyone who's just joining in, beta, you're probably going to go back and need to watch the recording. सर आप पहले क्यों नहीं मिले? लाइफ थोड़ी इजी हो जाती. अरे जब जागो तब सवेरा, जब से पढ़ना शुरू करे तब इजी. पीयूष, आप मेरे प्लस सेशंस कर रहे हो क्या पीयूष? या आज ही पहली बार मिले हो? प्लस सेशंस कर रहे हो? ओके, चलो ठीक है. प्लस सेशंस में तो और सब कुछ हम कर ही रहे हैं. उसमें बढ़िया सा LRDI वाला कोर्स करो सुबह वाला. मैं सबको वही चीज बताता हूँ. अभी भी ज्वाइन करोगे, कभी भी ज्वाइन करोगे तो you'll at least learn something. Just sit through. You don't need to do anything else for your LRDI course. LRDI I teach morning 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. every single day. LRDI. If you just attend these time का lectures with me for just कल से देखोगे तो आज वाला लेक्चर का रिकॉर्डिंग देख के आना. वो एक चीज थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंट है. कल से अगर देखोगे तो आज वाले लेक्चर का रिकॉर्डिंग, क्योंकि आज गेम्स एंड टूर्नामेंट स्टार्ट किया था तो गेम्स एंड टूर्नामेंट्स का आज पहला लेक्चर हो गया. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे 4 लेक्चर शेड्यूल्ड है. जस्ट अटेंडिंग थ्रू दीज सेशंस, बिलीव मी व्हेन आई से दिस, जस्ट अटेंडिंग थ्रू दीज सेशंस फॉर 2.5 months, आपका LRDI सेक्शन डन. LRDI section completely done. I'm not even saying, even if you're struggling in sitting through the sessions, and you'll just understand, you'll keep on understanding. खुद से पहले solve भी नहीं होगा. पहला एक आध महीना में भी you're not able to solve. Just attending through, you will be done. Sir, LRDI I joined today. Please पीछे का आगे cover करवा देना. अरे 100% free. So the course which you are doing right now is a 100-hour, 500 sets वाला course. We are in the middle of the course. The course is expected to end in the end of this month. So I'll again launch a 2-month का course after that. So we're going to do अभी से लेके 6 months of LRDI in the morning 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. 6 months of LRDI, इतना पढ़ लोगे तो LRDI में टॉप कर दोगे यार, 100 परसेंटाइल लेके आओगे. Will there be a recording of those morning classes? Yeah, there is a recording of those morning classes. You can go back and watch those. I'll do one thing, I'll collate all the list of my plus lectures and send it across on the groups as soon as this session is okay. Coming across over here, 6 बजे जो नहीं उठ सकते वो रिकॉर्डिंग देखना है यार, क्या करेंगे अभी, क्या बताया, ट्राई करो ऐसे उठना, बहुत अच्छा दिन जाता है, सुबह सुबह के 2 घंटे में पढ़ाई हो जाता है. कल क्वांट्स कब 11 और 12:30 सेम टाइम, वैसे अभी लेक्चर खत्म नहीं हुआ, रुको. Just the way if I ask you कि 50% calculate करो 800 का, what do? You straight away divide 800 by 2 and you tell me the answer is going to be 400. In similar way, if I ask you to calculate 16.66% of some number, 16.66% of some number, so you need to divide it by 6. So for example, if I ask you what is 16.66% guys of 600, you can straight away say 600 divided by 6, which is going to give you 100. Now think about this a bit. Would it have been difficult for us to calculate it using our conventional way? 10% plus 6% plus 0.6% and so on and so forth. So therefore, for a few values, it makes a lot of sense to try and remember this part, to try and remember these values. 14.28% के लिए you need to divide by 7 and then you jadoo happens, magic happens and you get the answer. For example, if you read somewhere, what is the 14.28% of 49? This doesn't look like a beautiful number. This neither looks like a beautiful number. But now if you know that 14.28 is 1 by 7, then what will be 1 by 7th of 49? It will be equal to 7. Are you understanding what we are doing over here? Are you understanding what we are doing over here? So that is the reason why. Oh, Sakshi, I was thinking if that you are there in the class or not. I didn't see your comment for so long. Thank you, everyone else. I keep on seeing the names, although I am not able to call out your names very often, but I keep on seeing your names and I have that in my mind. कौन कौन है क्लास में, कौन कौन पढ़ रहा है and everything. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ please comment. Even if everyone else is commenting the same, please comment again. 1 by 9 is 11.11%. So let us say if you are asked what is 12.11% of 900. This is 12.11% of 900, okay? Can I break this down as 11.11% and 1%? What is 11.11%? 1 by 9 hai? 900 divided by 9? 100. What is 1%? 1% is 9. Can I say 109? Poof. Something like this. Genius you are. You are able to calculate 12.11% of 900 like this. Boom. Yeah, boom. है ना? So this table is something which is extremely important for your percentage calculations. This is for your percentage calculations, along with the squares and cubes which you are going to put up. Along with the squares and cubes which you are going to put up on your study table, I also want you to put up these things on your study table. You are going to very properly write it down, make a list, print out nahi, screenshots nahi. Print out and screenshots don't work very well. They are not as immersive as what you write down by yourself. Please write it down beautifully and then put it up onto your study table. Sir, what if we get out of this like 32.89? No, you can't do anything for 32.89, but there's something which you can do. So let us say you can't do, let us say you have been asked 32.89, which is close to 33%. Let us say you have been asked 32.89% of 12,300. Okay. So calculating this can take some time, but you can guess out what will be a number close to this. You can calculate 33.33%, which will be 1/3 of this. 1/3 of this will be 4,100. So मेरा जो आंसर है वो 4,100 से थोड़ा सा कम होना चाहिए. So if you have A, B, C, D as the option, one option is 4,300, other option is 3,500. If other option is, let us say, 3,900. If other option is, let us say, 5,000. Which option are you most likely going to be going ahead and taking? A. I mean, the numbers can be absolutely wrong, but you're going to tick out the A option. Why not C? Because this is C. Why not C? Because 4100, the one third, 33.33% is 4100, and I need 32.89. तो मुझे इससे थोड़ा सा छोटा चाहिए, इससे थोड़ा सा छोटा चाहिए. आया समझ में? So a number which is a little bit lesser than that, I will be able to calculate. Everyone with me? Hi, if options are very much close, then you have the calculator. No, don't worry for that. So this doesn't work every single time, but going ahead, you will now start realizing and finding कि most often these are the percentages which are asked into your examination. 12.5% is asked. Maybe they won't ask you 12.5%. They'll ask you a multiple of 12.5%. जैसे कि they'll ask you 12.5% into 3 होता है 37.5%. So they'll ask you what is the 37.5% of 64. बताओ तो what is 37.5% of 64? OMETs में they'll give you numbers like this, Piyush. So they'll ask you 37.5% of 64. कैसे करेंगे? 12.5% के लिए किससे डिवाइड करना पड़ता है? 8 से करना पड़ता है. So 64 divided by 8 will give me my 12.5%. कितना आ जाएगा? 8 आ जाएगा. I need 12.5% into 3. So 8 into 3. Can I say my answer will be 24? Did you capture? So that is going to be how that is the way in which you can calculate. Also, you can calculate a few other numbers, like you have this will come with practice. Okay, don't worry कि ये सर पहले ही दिन कैसे होगा. हम लोग एक चीज ध्यान रखना, जब कैट का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, हम लोग टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, हम लोग लंबा टर्म का सोचेंगे. If we want the results quick, we are going to fail. If we say I want to see my mock scores increase very gradually, we are going to fail. They'll not increase in one day, they'll not increase in 1 week, they'll not increase in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. They'll probably take 10 weeks or maybe even 15 weeks. The challenge is to keep up for those 15 weeks. The challenge is not to do each of these things individually. As I told you, each of the topic is simple. What is challenging is to keep up the consistency for that long. If you keep up the consistency for that long, you will get there. So अभी अगर percentages देख के एकदम जल्दी से visualize भी नहीं हो रहे ना, believe me, with practice you will be able to do that. And also, please do the homework which I give you. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you 150 or 200 odd questions to solve. Please solve. Please solve. If you solve the questions and come back, you will learn a lot of things. You will develop your own concept. Some basic questions, even if the questions are, today I'm going to give you a lot of questions of this sort. What is 13.3% of something something? That sort I'm going to give you, and that sort also you need to sit down and that also you need to sit down and do. It will be boring. I'll tell you something. Your CAT preparation is two things. One is we can sit together and wow sir, what a trick sir, nice sir, fun sir, baat karo Shinchan ki sir, baat karo Scooby Doo ki sir, and everything of that sort. We can have a lot of fun. That is okay. That should be there because we need to keep up and we need to study so much. But also there are going to be these boring segments wherein you need to sit down and slog. You need to slog. Do you understand the word meaning slog? SLOG, slog. कब सुना ये वर्ड? किसी ने सुना ये वर्ड? स्लॉग. स्लॉग मतलब स्लॉग ओवर्स. क्रिकेट में सुना होगा ना. कौन सी होती है स्लॉग ओवर्स? बताओ तो कौन सी होती है स्लॉग ओवर्स? कौन सी? विच ओवर्स? मिड की ओवर्स होती है. मिड ओवर्स होती है. मिडल ओवर्स. सो देखो, यू नीड अ गुड स्टार्ट, you need a good end, then there are these slog overs wherein you need to keep up, like you need to just keep the counter moving ahead. There will be these overs wherein it's very difficult to score very well. It's very difficult to hit sixes and fours and so on and so forth. But you just need to keep on taking these ones and twos and ones and twos and ones and twos and all of the overs in which the more number of ones and twos come. Because they go start में you will see more number of power play होता है, तो you'll see more score coming in. End में all of the batsmen are going to hit it anyways. They'll start hitting it out. Slog overs क्या होती है? Slog overs are the overs wherein you see 1 2 1 2 1 2 करके they keep the clock moving forward. उसी तरीके से you need to slog into your maths preparation. You need to sit down and you are going to need to keep on doing 1 2 1 2 1 2 करते 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 ऐसे बड़ा सा स्कोर अगर आप देखो तो slog overs में बनता है. There's a huge score difference which the slog overs create. Even if you are doing 6 runs per over, within 30 overs you create a lot of runs together, right? So that is the reason why slog overs are slogging through the cricket match is important, and slogging through your maths is also important. So your understanding of this, ki sir, wow, I understood this, I'm able to solve this, I'm able to do this in 20-30 seconds, is worth zero if you don't practice it. Why? Because your examination is 6 months down the line. It is 6 months down the line. To regain energy and just keep up with the pace without any extra efforts. That slog overs is also for that. Slog is also that to, it's where you go in a bit slow and you regain your energy so that the last part of it you can do very well. But it also means to really work hard. So once you understand this, and the next part is to do something repetitively. The repetitive thing is difficult. I've already understood, sir, how to calculate 11%. You want me to calculate 11% of 5 different numbers? Why? That's stupidity. I've already understood it. No, smartness and concepts along with hard work, this is what gets you into a top IIM. You want to become one of the top managers of the country. You want to get paid 15 and 20 lakh rupees per annum from the start of your careers. That's not going to happen because you are a genius. There are a lot of genius people out there who don't act, who don't work hard, who want the things easy in their life. If you want the things easy in your life, fair enough, you'll get into one of the B schools. That's easy. Getting into one of the top B schools, that's difficult. Because of the competition, there will be people who will be genius as well as working hard. You don't get extra brownie points for being able to understand this quicker. You get brownie points for sitting down 3 hours, sitting down 4 hours, and keeping on doing the same thing again and again and again till the time you can't get it wrong. There's difference. Don't practice till you get it right. Practice till you can't get it wrong. That's the amount of practice which you need to put in. So even when I say today, when you're going to do practice for percentages and you're going to sit and do all of these questions, I'm going to send you a worksheet of these questions. Please sit down and slog through those questions. Can I get that deal from you guys? Deal? Fantastic. Just one or two more type of question. जैसे 11.11 के साथ भी ये चीज होता है. They can ask you what will be 77.77% of 1800. So if you remember, 11.11% is basically 1 by 9. Piyush, I'm ending the lecture in about 5 minutes from now. 5 minutes. ठीक है, मतलब उसके बाद में I can take some discussion के लिए open up the floor, but उस तब तक I'm just going to I'll just finish this last part up. So 1 by 9 is 11.11%. This is 7 times of that. इसका 1 by 9 will be 200. 200 into 7 will be my answer, which is going to be equal to 1400. Is that okay? Caught on this? So let us take this question as an example very quickly. You get 45 seconds to solve this. Your time starts now. 40 seconds left. 30 seconds left. 20, 19, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So what do we have over here? Batman has a huge collection of sports car. One day he decides to gift Captain America 14.28% of his collection. So 14.28 matlab, is he gifting 1/7 of his collection? If he had 7 cars, he's gifting 1 car. If Captain America has gotten 10 cars, how much collection did Batman have before gifting? यार अगर इसको 10 cars मिले हैं तो 10 cars का 7 times he must have had, right? Yes or no? Is that easy? Okay. One homework question for you. Take a screenshot of this one now. Take a screenshot of this one now. Taken? Very nice. So tomorrow we'll continue with our percentages questions. A lot of interesting questions to see tomorrow. I'll also see if we can get in Chacha Chaudhary, Shabu, Doraemon, all of the cartoons which you told me. I'll see if we can get them into it. Tomorrow's lectures are going to be extremely, let me repeat that, extremely important. कितनी बार बोला मैंने extremely? 1 2 3 4 5 5 times extremely important. Okay, tomorrow's lecture 11 and 12:30 again. 12:30 wala is called as PYQs, but I don't know, maybe we'll sit together for doing more questions. 11 o'clock is again it's called as percentages practice. You can find the links to this even onto my profile, but not just there, you will also find the links to these in the Telegram group which I have pinned up over here. For those of you who are plus students and who want to study plus classes with me, please find me in the admins of the Telegram group. Drop me a message. I'll send you the links to my plus courses. I'll also send you the link to my plus groups so that you can get added over there and you can be a part of the plus quizzes and everything of that sort. For those of you who are not plus subscribers yet, and for those of you who are planning to go ahead with the plus subscription, I think this is a very nice time to go ahead with your plus subscription. You have 6 months left. You have a 6 months product which you can go ahead and use, which you can go ahead and enroll. And if you have any kind of doubts for going ahead with the plus subscription, please ask. I'm available I'm available for that. And drop me a message onto the Telegram again. I'll help you out with your plus subscription. Just remember, if you want to study with me, if you use this referral code, I will get access to your. I'll be able to track your progress, and I should be able to go behind you. Kyun nahi pada, and all of that things. I should be able to do that. Not just that, you'll also get that extra 10% discount which you get with any referral code. So this is where you punch in your referral code like this, and you will get the price reduced by 10%. I believe this is a very good investment which you can make for your CAT preparation or any other OMET preparation. अगर करना चाहते हो अच्छे से, तो पढ़ाई करना चाहते हो अच्छे से, तो sometimes a bit of guidance on the right direction can help. So please check that out. Please see if you want to go ahead for it. If you have any doubts, please do reach out to me as well. You also get access to all of the mocks, by the way. So will you provide practice sums today in the Telegram group? Yes, Mritika, I'll send across the assignment in the Telegram group as well. So it's available for everyone. Okay. And for all the plus students who haven't been connected with me earlier, please drop me a message. I'll get you listed down in the list of plus students as well. चलो, then broadcast में भेजेंगे. Yes, broadcast में भेजेंगे. बोलो क्या हो गया पूर्वा? This is the code for you for training for technical skills. Purva, let us take it off the class, maybe on my WhatsApp. Okay. Well done is better than well said. सर ये सेशन डेली होगा क्या? हाँ, ये सेशन डेली होगा. सेशन अच्छा लगा क्या? Did you guys learn something new? Did you guys enjoy today's session? तो यार मैं ना एक पीडीएफ भेजूंगा. अब ये पीडीएफ या कोई एक इस तरीके का डॉक्यूमेंट भेजूंगा which I'll put up in the Telegram group, which will have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4 entire schedule for this month. So basics, then percentages 1, percentages 2, percentages 3, along with the links to those lectures, along with the timing of each of the days. So first, for the first week, we have the timing of the lectures from morning 11 to 12 and then 12:30 to जब तक है जान. बट लेटर ऑन या फिर जब तक है सिलेब, जब तक वो टॉपिक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, but later on we will be shifting to the evening lectures. We'll be having the lectures from 8 to 9 and then 9:30 to 10:30, and we are going to cover up the entirety of things. Like we are going to cover up percentages completely, ratios completely, averages completely, time and work completely, from the very basics, and build it to a very strong. So when I say build it to very strong, tomorrow we are going to do actual CAT questions in the class over here. So we are going to build our concept up to that level. For that reason, there will be a homework which will be given out to you every single day. Please do that homework, because when you do that homework, you are able to understand what is going on the next day. ठीक है, चलो, we are done over here. मस्त खतरनाक था दोनों सेशन. बाय बाय बाय, गुड डे, टेक केयर, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.